Not this next year.
Come talk to us and work with us.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Okay. Number 16, Mike Kelly.
Hello. So we have some property lines that we need to have adjusted in order to be in compliance with the motel and the fourplex where we subdivided. I turned in a packet to the building committee.
Jim, what was your finding on that?
Yeah.
We looked at both of them, they're basically the same, just two different addresses, just occurred because of the survey, and the only way to correct the problem, basically, if he was to sell one or the other, they would have a problem legally because it does not meet the city of Beaver City's requirements. So the only thing we could do was give him a variance. I mean, there's no tearing things down. I mean, the variance is the only way this could make this right for him in the future if he wants to sell a piece of the property. So the building committee said yes on both of those. That's the only way we felt it could go.
No, I agree. I don't think anybody wants to lose that infrastructure we have established there.
So we just need to vote on that then?
The variance.
Yes.
They agreed. I mean, they said yes, or y'all saying yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. Anything else from you, Mike, regarding the property line issue?
I think I've been pretty forward on this whole deal where, like when I came in and said that we had it subdivided and been just trying to do things the right way. I mean, with the building permits we put in where we moved the concrete, made a patio up north of the apartment, having the stairway moved, everything's open now, everything's accessible and it's a lot better now. So I'm really happy that we can kind of come to a conclusion on this stuff. And so with that, I don't have any more questions in regard to that.
I move we approve the variances for the permits A and B for Mike Kelly.
I'll second.
Okay, we have a motion and a second for the setback revisions on 103 10th and 912 Floyd Street, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. We'll vote again. Quinn?
Aye.
Kevin? Aye. Becky?
Yes.
No ayes? Okay, that takes care of that part. The 923rd Street update. Just to be clear, we're reverting all of our stuff on that matter to
Lisa?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Okay.
But
So, I assume everybody on the council knows, but we did receive a letter from Lauren saying that the claim was denied for 923rd Street. So at this time, there's really no further action for the council to take on that matter.
Thank you.
So my understanding was with the way this property damage happened, and the documents that were provided from the city showing the water and the electric were shut off, wrong dates, damaged the property. I turned everything over to the insurance company. They denied it without reason. So I guess that being the case, it kind of falls back on the city's lap if they're accepting responsibility at any level or willing to work with me, or do we have to take different avenues? We bought this property 100% intentionally to add to our inventory of rental income properties in town. We didn't buy it to have it turn into this mess. It's been going on for over 4 months. There's a lot of hurt feelings everywhere with everybody, and I guess now with the insurance company having a denial, I guess it's back on your guys' lap to see what. I guess question one for me is, why wouldn't LARM give me a reason why they denied? And for two, the property directly south of that Rex McLean owned had the same exact damage happen. Why was he paid and I'm denied with the same exact thing? How can I possibly take that as I'm not being singled out or discriminated against when it's the same exact thing, same exact block, same exact issue? Why is it fair that his claim gets paid without a question, without all these months of turmoil, and mine's not? I guess all I want's an explanation.
So it's my understanding that both properties proceeded the same way. They were both turned into LARM, claim department. And I did talk to LARM, and they don't give a reason for denial. They just don't, was their explanation. And I don't think it is back on the city's lap. It's been denied. There's nothing left for the city to do.
When I started my complaint process with LARM through the insurance commissioner, they wanted specific emails sent out for them to start their investigation into LARM with their fraudulent allegations they had towards me in this matter. And through the complaint process, through the Nebraska insurance commissioner, it says to ask them directly for a reason of denial. They refused to give me that. From the beginning of this, I came to you guys very civil, asked your advice, but also walked the property with me. I went into the city office the next morning, spoke with Jackie, spoke with Brian, spoke with Mike. Leighton was supposed to get back with me. Never did. The next meeting we rolled into, I brought a packet in to the city council. It was going to be approved, and then it wasn't approved, and then it was, then it wasn't. Then it just turned into a big snowball. I felt like there was some retaliation in there, if there was or not. But here we are over 4 months later, and I'm sitting here wondering why. Why is Rex McLean's property authorized? Why is mine not? I have documented all of these meetings just for understanding, everybody to be fair, everybody to be even. You can't deny what's on videotape. I've asked Leighton directly, 100% to his face, if he's approved this claim, and he refused to answer the question. I'm happy to show you guys the videos. I feel that between Leighton refusing to answer if he approved the claim, he refused to answer if he would approve the claim, and his other actions he's taken, such as refusing to do business locally with my small business, I feel like Leighton has an issue with me.
So it's not up to Leighton to approve the claim. We sent the claim on to LARM.
Why did he refuse to answer me?
Because it's not his decision to make.
Okay, he has no say.
No, we send everything to LARM, and LARM is who either approves the claim or denies the claim.
Okay. So the city council and the mayor has no bearing whatsoever on these claims?
Not
Is that my understanding on record? Because now I'm stuck with a house that's ruined. It's double the square footage of what Rex McLean's house was. Same exact thing happened. You guys have all seen the documents. The power was pulled in the middle of winter, a month before the water was shut off. The house is destroyed. see how anybody could try to say that this isn't at fault of the city. I started this civilly. I've came to every single meeting and I've tried to be civil. I feel like I get pushed on, I'll push back. People get loud, I get loud. None of this is necessary. But right now, the way that all of this has turned into, it's affected my business in town. The rumors that have been started about this or that or this, that I'm trying to hurt the city. I have way better things to do than deal with that. I bought that house hoping I could put carpet and paint in it and have a rental property. Now I'm spending 20 to 30 hours a week dealing with this, dealing with this, dealing with this, dealing with this, dealing with the attorneys.
And Mike, since the rest of us didn't, we decided to leave that matter with the lawyer. We've given you 5 minutes to talk about it. I hope you appreciate that, but we'd like to move on to the next agenda item.
Fair enough. I appreciate not being cut off and just being civil.
Sure.
So, on record, everything just goes through the attorney?
On the 923rd Street.
Okay. Nobody here has any comments?
Call the question.
Okay. Is it public knowledge, one last thing, to know what was paid out on Rex McLean's water damage?
Once the question is called, once you call the question, there's no more discussion.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, number 17,